Again, I got a big slab of pork jowl bacon. I'm gonna chop this up and we're gonna make a stew out of it tonight. I need to get some more coals going for my breakfast, so I'm using this thinner stuff to make coals. Didn't bring a cooking griddle or anything like that. This is real bare minimum camping today. So we're gonna make bread straight on the coals. All right, I'm gonna make a cup of warm tea while I wait for my dinner to hydrate. I'm freezing. Oh, that's good. Well, there we go. Look at that plate of food. Oh, so good.
That rosemary butter is so good. Oh, I just inhaled that.